Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in beautiful Palmera Wellen Park. We're here checking out a Homes by Towne home. This is actually a quick move-in. This is not a model home, so this home will have no furniture. This is what it will look like when you purchase it. It is currently available right now, so it's ready to be moved into. Enough, come on in, let's check it out. This is a popular layout, so this is why we also wanted to cover this for you guys. This is an Islander. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home with a 3-car garage, a sidecar garage, right around 2,600 square feet. Beautiful pool. A lot of these homes are going to sit on this beautiful marsh water land. It's amazing back here. So the asking price is $1,196,000. They have some special incentives going on right now, but again, this home is available until it's not. Let's go check it out before someone snags it and starts moving in. So keep in mind as we're walking through here, a lot of what Homes by Towne offer as standard is seen as upgrades from other builders. For example, the 8-foot doors that we're going to see in here. More importantly, the spray foam attic insulation and the stem wall going all around the exterior of the house. So it's very appealing for a lot of buyers. Well, that's it. We hope you enjoyed this tour. If you have any questions about this floor plan, homes by Towne, or anything about Palmera, please feel free to reach out. We've already helped several families move into this community. We know we can help you and your family as well. This home is still available currently, but if it is not, then you can definitely pick out a beautiful home site like this one, build it from scratch, put everything in it that you would want. Homes by Towne offers a lot of basic upgrades that other builders do not. So definitely call, find out more about that. Or this home can be yours and this view can be yours. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.